I'm Pam Seatle at City Hall. Dozens of items on the agenda for this month's council meeting, held, of course, virtually. The majority of the day today was spent discussing the city manager's massive report on Toronto's recovery and rebuilding plan post-pandemic, known as the TOR report. The debate went on for hours and included numerous motions. But it is an important item and a key one for Mayor John Tory in order to ensure that Toronto comes back stronger than ever.
The report going to Council today outlines the City Manager's recommendations to best position Toronto for recovery from COVID-19 and its very profound health, economic, equity, social and financial impacts on the city. This is our roadmap to build the city up in the wake of the pandemic. We know that COVID-19 will remain a threat to us as it is today and in the immediate future, so this will also guide us as to how we can continue to reopen safely.
The report is hundreds of pages long with a broad set of 80-plus recommendations that have been condensed down to 6. They include initiating discussions with the federal and provincial governments to come up with a coordinated intergovernmental approach to recovery, which must include significant financial help, as well as strengthening tools that will help support the needs of communities hardest hit by COVID-19, including the Black and Indigenous communities, among many others. Now, as expected, the recovery plan was approved late this afternoon. Now, one of the mayor's other top priorities for this meeting is to approve his recommendation for winter patios. This was approved at Executive Committee last week, and it will make it easier for restaurants to continue to provide outdoor dining all winter long while indoor restrictions continue.
This is the right thing to do as part of a program to try and assist these businesses to get back on their feet. We know that winter is coming, and we know that we need to support winter patios where they're applicable as much as we possibly can. So we're giving businesses the flexibility to operate where it is safe and where it is possible during the winter months.
After many questions about how to do this safely, that item passed also as expected. Now, one decision that was made early in the day is that a by-election will be held to replace former councillor Jim Karajanis, who last month lost his battle to keep his seat after he was found to have exceeded election spending. The city could have chosen to appoint a councillor for his Scarborough Agincourt ward, but council opted for voters to go to the polls instead, which could happen as early as January. Now, today's meeting just wrapped up minutes ago. There are many other interesting items on the agenda, including a proposal for controversial bike lanes in Midtown Toronto along Yonge Street, as well as a motion to ask the province to cap the fees that food service deliveries charge to restaurants. Those items are expected to be debated tomorrow.